So Chris and I have been generously sharing a, I guess, living space with a rat who lives in our ceiling.
Spiny jungle rat.
A spiny jungle rat who ripped a hole in the ceiling and literally peed all over my purse and chewed it to shreds. I'm not happy about it. I cannot believe he did that. That is rat pee. That is disgusting, and he chewed up everything. Chris, how, like, I knew in the middle of the night I heard something like chewing.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
We're Chris and Gabby. We're just your average couple with a passion for wildlife. Okay, or not so average. We're professional animal handlers living in South Florida. We work with dangerous animals on a daily basis. Nothing is off limits, and we never know what kind of crazy animal we're going to run into next. Join us as we explore, adventure, and travel to new and amazing places. Welcome to our wild world.
Look at that bug! Hurry up! Hurry up! Is it bad? It's down my boot. It's down more than just your boot, honey. Oh man! How many more miles do we have? Like 5?
Yep.
Yeah.
Jeez Louise.
We haven't even gotten on Big Red again.
Oh, it's so uncomfortable.
Oh, don't get her on me. I'm sorry. I haven't fallen
Let me
yet.
record, Alex. Look at this.
Baby, what happened? Man down.
Please help me. I don't want to go all the way down. Help me first.
Come here.
Okay, cool. I'll just hold my whole body weight up after saving your girlfriend.
Oh my God. How are you down again?
Wait. Don't get up. Watch out with the big fish.
Hit me that so hard.
Watch out. You good?
Oh.
Got him.
This is the largest smoky jungle frog I have ever seen.
That thing is a monster.
He is a behemoth.
Look at that guy.
He's huge.
Look how big he is.
Look at my filthy nails. Now, usually when you pick them up, they make this really crazy like call. But he's being pretty quiet. He's huge.
Wow. Let me see him.
There it is. Yeah, that's the sound they make. What happened? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is it when I touch you?
He's yelling at you.
I'm just trying to show everybody how pretty you are. That's it.
You know, it's so loud.
Wow.
Look at those legs.
Did you guys want to see him? He's huge.
Now they do that call. There it is. Now the reasoning behind that call is they do that. It's obviously very loud. Yes. Thank you for exemplifying. It's obviously very, very loud, and the purpose is to try to alert another predator that may come and attack the predator that currently has him. And then he can escape in the chaos. So that's why they do that, is to try to call in another animal to come and basically like rescue them, if you will, and attack the predator that has them right now. And it does actually work. So any jaguars around are gonna come over here to eat Gabby now to save Mr. Smoky Jungle Frog.
By the way, this doesn't hurt the frog. I'm just gently holding his waist and he's just puffed up.
Yeah, he's all full of air so that a snake can't swallow him. They puff up like that to make their body size bigger, and That way, if it was a snake trying to eat him or something else, they would have a hard time swallowing him.
Cute.
Check him out, guys.
You want to hold it?
Now, he does have a toxic skin secretion, okay? So just be aware. It's not dangerous through your skin, but if you get it on your hands and then you touch your eyes or your mouth or something like that, it's not deadly, but you're not going to have a fun night. Gabby caught that frog in my underwear because she fell in the mud so many times that her clothes got completely soaked and full of mud.
Where are they?
And started chafing. They're hanging on the bush right there.
Oh, yeah, here.
So we both had to strip down naked in the jungle, and she's now wearing my underwear.
That's what I was hiking in.
Baby.
I know, baby. That's like the inside. It was really wet and uncomfortable. Look at all that.
Yep.
Can't take me anywhere.
Nope.
Ugh. So gross.
All right, got some pictures. Go ahead and send them free.
Goodbye. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Oh my goodness. Look at him go. Oh, wait, he's doing a full circle. Literally a full circle.
He's so cute.
Down the trail he goes. He is fast.
He's really fast. All right, so this is our final night here in the Amazon. We had a huge group with us. Everyone's coming today for the night tour. We are trying a new trail today that literally I think just opened, or they just cut it. So no one has ever been on it before. So hopefully we get lucky. It's an undisturbed area, so hopefully there's lots of animals. You excited, babe?
Yeah, Virgin Trail.
Virgin Trail. Oh boy. Thank you. Okay, so our first find of the night is this guy. I just spotted him on the tree. He is a quite a large tarantula. Do you know what kind this is?
Oh, he's tiny.
No, baby, he's... Oh, I don't want him to jump on
He's
me.
not that big.
He's pretty big. Do you know what kind he is? It doesn't look like the pink toad. I'm not sure what... Ugh, they creep me out. Emerson just spotted the frog that I've been wanting to find the entire time on our last night. That is a giant... That looks like a waxy monkey, right?
Yeah, bicolor.
Oh my god.
Phylum Medusa bicolor.
This is exactly what I've been wanting to see.
He's a big one, too.
I'm so excited. Do you guys know what they are, or you have no idea?
They're adorable.
They're the coolest things ever.
Look at how stoic he looks.
Oh,
You're like
wow,
chin
he's
up,
so
held high.
big. I am so excited.
He's not big.
He doesn't care.
Got him?
He's so chill.
Wow.
Wow, he's like making a fist around this branch right here.
This is what I've been wanting.
Let go. Let go. It's kind of an easier way to do it. Look at him.
Look at him holding on.
So cool.
So cool. I'm so excited right now.
Alright, so probably the coolest frog around, at least in my opinion. So he's Phylum Medusa bicolor. These guys are so awesome, so big. Look at that hand. Like, just so big and impressive. Such cool looking eyes. I love these guys. Last year they were all over the camp. Like, there were like 5 or 6 every night at the camp. And then I was talking about it, and that I expected that's what we're gonna have this time. And then not a single one at the camp. And so, that's what he thinks of that. And so Gabby was like super disappointed because I was like talking, oh no, they're everywhere, they're really, really common, blah, blah, blah. And then there weren't any. So we're really, really happy we got to see this guy on our last night here. So cool. I just love these guys. They're like slow and methodical he moves.
I really want to see him and hold him.
They do have a toxic skin secretion that is supposedly hallucinogenic too. So, well, don't lick the frogs and toads, guys. That's where I'm going. But you also want to make sure that if you do touch them, you don't touch your eyes or your mouth or anything like that later. How cool is he? Oh, on that note too, I know everybody wants to check him out. I would like to put him on a leaf or something, and then if you want a picture holding him, hold the leaf, not him.
Absolutely.
Because like even my sweat right now is not really good for him, you know. So we don't want to get any more chemicals on him.
Let's get a leaf.
So let's see if we can get something to stick him on. I've caught them before, and what they'll do is if you offend them, they just hunker down, and then they won't do anything. And they just sit there with their eyes closed, and it's really not fun.
Is that okay for you? There we go. Wow, look how beautiful the underbelly is. So these guys get the name waxy monkey frogs during the dry season. To lock in moisture, they'll actually secrete this waxy substance that they'll use their back legs to spread all over their body. I've never seen one in the wild. Super excited. Really wanted to find these guys. They're really common in the pet trade. You see a lot of these guys at reptile expos just crammed in tiny little containers, imported. So it's really sad. I've never seen one this healthy either. I mean, he is beautiful, and it's so nice to see this. Wow, he's huge. Look at those toes. And that fat belly. That is a happy frog. So this is where he chose to be. We're gonna leave him right there. What do you think? Pretty cool, right?
Yeah,
Awesome
definitely.
first find. I'm super stoked about it.
I got some really cool shots of him. Definitely awesome.
Beautiful frog.
Yeah, they're really cool. Definitely a favorite.
Thanks for watching this week's video, and a huge thank you to everybody who came on our last trip. Chris is planning on leading another expedition in the Peruvian Amazon in October 2020. So if you want to come join us, you can email him at chrisgillettewildlife@gmail.com for more information.